Okay, so now those educators who are teaching grades 7 to 12, now they've got the physical classes as well at the same time. They have live streaming. You're supposed to have a live stream for the learners who are back home and are unable to join the class for some reason, whatever that may be. So now let's say I'm an educator who's teaching grade AS. So I just need to start up my class. Once I start up my class, and the meeting has started, I just need to click on the share screen. And I'll have so many things on my screen accordingly. For example, I could select one of the things that I want to show. Like, it can be a whiteboard that I want to share with them. Or let's say if it's a whiteboard, I can start working on the board, explaining different things, on how let's say things work and whatnot. This could be a whiteboard that I'm working on. And at the same time, I want to clear off and close this. The sharing will be closed. Then again, I can share, for example, a document that I wanted to share with them, and they'll be able to see this document. Now, understand that if I minimize this document, the learners will not be able to see the new screen that I have in front of me. What they'll be seeing is the same screen stuck in front of them, and if you observe, it has been paused. The sharing has been paused. You can see that there's a resume share button here. So if I click on resume share, what will happen is the document will open up. Oh, so if, for example, if I want to share the rest of the screen, I simply click on the stop share, and then I click on share, and then I click on share screen. So everything that is open on my screen can be visible to my learners. So they can see the background of this web browser as well as this document at the same time. And if I minimize this, they'll see the whole screen, that is the whole web browser that is in front of them. This is how I'll be having the screen visible to the learners. The second thing that I need to do is, while I'm explaining, my microphone needs to be on unmute so that they can hear me as well. Now, how would I interact with them? Of course, there is basic Zoom. I'm sure you all know about the basic Zoom features. Once you have the basic Zoom features, you as a host can have the chatting with them. You can have chatting with them, for example, hi class, um, and everybody will be able to see what you're typing here, as well as you can see what they're typing once they have typed it to you. You can also disable the chat, as well as disable to unmute themselves as a host of the meeting. These are the options that you've got. If you have enable waiting room, it means you can enable the waiting rooms. For example, if this is tick mark, it means in the beginning when you created your class, that is where you enable the enable waiting room option. You need to remove that once you're scheduling a class. So this does not appear. And that was how you can share your screen with learners who are at home and are unable to join the class for whatever reason that may be. That is what I wanted to share. So those educators, again, who are in grade 7 to 12, need to share their screen, turn on their microphones, and they need to be able to deliver whatever they're delivering to the learners in class in front of them. They must be able to deliver it to those who are at home as well. Thank you very much.